Alright, today I'm shooting with the a7 IV and I have the Sony 50mm G Master f1.4. Let's go take some photos of Ashlyn. So your belly button is going to face that arch over there.
Okay.
Yep, but you're still going to do that arm. Yep, and you're going to look at, oh,
okay.
That's perfect. Oh my goodness. Okay, you stay right there. Look at that. This is unedited. She's so beautiful.
I know she is.
Man, I don't know what to do. No, it looks really good. I'll show you real quick. Just like that. And you can cross your butt. I like that a lot. Let's do that. Oh my goodness, man. You just make this easy. What the heck? That's exactly what I need. Head up a little. Yep, just like that. That's perfect. Yep, that's good. Okay, I'm gonna get closer. Your feet can be, your belly button and your feet are facing me. Mm-hmm. And then I'll be shooting from this angle.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah. Well, can you do feet together? That's good. That's good. Whoa, okay. Hold up. Hold up. That was really good, Ashlyn. Oh my word. This is gold right here. Ooh.
Yeah. I like a picture of the bridge too. Like,
yeah, you want one on the bridge? What are you feeling? Do you want to sit? Do you want to stand?
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I don't know.
Okay. Well, yeah. Why not?
I don't know.
Hey, that's cool. I like that. We can just get some closer up. Yeah. Can you put both hands? Oh, yes! Yes! I'm a geek. Oh, my word. Sorry, guys. Oh, my goodness. Like, ah! I super duper like this. That could work with the braid. Oh, man. So, I really like, I don't know if this is called a gondola, but it's called a gondola now. Whatever that red shape is.
Okay.
I would love for you to sit there and then do that pose.
Okay.
Try to have it where the sun's hitting the back of your hair.
Okay.
So right here is perfect. Okay.
Yeah,
over the shoulder. Oh my goodness!
Yeah.
She's good at this. She didn't tell me that beforehand. To be fair, I didn't have contact with you, so. Oh, Ashley, this is so beautiful. Boop. Yeah, I scream a lot, so that's part of my selling point. All right, what you want to do? Anything fun? You want to jump?
I don't know. Just
You graduating in 26? Oh, you can't do that.
No, just went like that.
Yeah, we can do that. Do you want to do that?
Sure.
Let me back up. All right, I'm ready when you are. Ready? There. Oh, that's cool, actually. On to the next. So there's a bench over there. That could be a cool thing. Can you put your arm over here? Yeah, I would really like. Yeah, that'd be cool. And I'm just gonna make my way over here. Oh, that is so cool. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm gonna adjust the camera. Yeah, are you up for sitting in the grass?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try that.
Out here.
Yeah. I want the sun behind you. So wherever you're facing. Yeah, that'll be good. And then we got the water behind you. Oh, that's perfect. Let's see. Yeah, that's so cute. Okay, I'm gonna back up. Mom, you know she's pretty good at this, right? A little more and stop. Yep. And you'll just, can you have one hand in your pocket? Yep. Hey, that's good. You're doing good. Oh, I'll do both sides. You just sit down. I'll get both. Yeah, that's good. Oh my word. Yeah, oh, yes, oh. Oh my goodness, this is a literal. Okay, so start right at the crack here and just slowly walk and just be normal. that's possible. And then look back at me. Yep. Okay, let's do that again. So get closer. Yep, that's the winner, dude. Dude, she makes this easy. Dude, this is insane. Yep. And then look at your mom. Yep. I'm gonna do a couple more. Yes. That one's gonna be in the album for sure. Okay, stay right there. Yep, just keep looking at me. Oh my word. Turn your belly button this way. Yep. Yes. Dude.
You can do the whole thing behind you too, baby. Oh yeah.
So this one, your face isn't even in it. It's just your jacket. Okay, yeah, you keep doing your thing. Oh my goodness. This is... We're lucky to have you, Mom. What can I say?
I'm not dressed for this.
You sure about that?
Yeah.
I don't know. You're going to want to look back at this, right? Oh, good. That's how it is. Okay. 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 How do you know how to do that? You can't say you don't. No, hold on. Yeah. How can you tell me, Ashley, I don't know how to pose, and then you pull that? That's not right. Oh, yeah. The head tilt back is good. I'm going to back up if I can, try to get your whole outfit. Look over into the distance. Yeah, that one's good. This one's just going to be your shoes. That is super cute. Dude. Yeah, I'll have you stand right here. And then I'll have you look back at me. Yes. I'm going to wait till they pass. And the hair. Yeah. Just keep doing that, but don't look at me. Yeah. Oh, snap. Yeah, fix it with both hands. Just like, yeah. Dude! This is magic. I'm not even lying. I don't want to scream, but yeah. Would you be willing to sit on the ground?
Oh yeah.
I don't know what these are called, but I love the yellow that comes from them. Okay, and then tilt your head the other way. Yep, that one's for Mom. Right. Yeah, that's how it works. Let's have you turn. We'll try that. Yeah, that one's cool. Couple more. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked this video, you would probably be interested in this one right here, where I compare this really expensive lens to a cheaper version that Sony makes.